We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations are different here. In British English, this is normally pronounced as nude, nude, a new sound here, nude. In American English, however, it is normally said as nude, nude in American English versus nude in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.